Okay.
All right, Annika.
We're gonna see how good a job Daddy does.
Hey. Do you think she's hungry?
I don't know. She just wants to play. Doesn't look like she's come on. She just wants to play. Come on. Oh, no.
Put it in sideways.
Gotta do. Here comes the choo-choo train.
Wow.
Good girl. Yay.
Wow.
Yay.
Look at her looking from person to person.
Yay. Oh, yes.
She doesn't know she's actually eating yet.
Oh, here comes the choo-choo train. Here it comes. Zoop, 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 zoop.
It's okay.
It's going everywhere. She's like, here, you try.
Have any better results?
It's like torture.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that isn't so bad.
Look at her. Like, help me, Dad.
It's so messy. It's all over. Like she screams when she opens her mouth, and that's the chance you can stuff it in there.
You know what? I think she'll get used to it, and she'll. You know what? She's gonna like that. Right? Look at her.
That's kind of her. That's not a real cry, is it?
That was a diva cry right there.
Look at her.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Yay!
Look at her.
Are you getting her face?
I'm trying, but I get the wrong angle.
Okay.
Hi.
Here's
See, like, look at her. Look at her.
Oh. Whoops.
You know, funny how they
Annika.
catch on. Huh?
Oh! Yay! Yay, big girl! Oh! Oh!
What did she do?
She chomped on it.
You're scared.
I don't know if I got her because I was
Oh, I
like.
got her right when she. I mean, it's like.
Oh.
Hi.
She's Ryan. She likes it. Look at her now.
Hi. Choo choo train. Oh. Oh. Choo 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 choo. Comes the airplane. Oh.
I think. See, look at her. Look at you. She's just.
Look at her. She's got the
She's such a
serious.
ham.
Look, like I have dignity too, you know.
Look at her mouth. She is such a ham. I can't believe.
Come here.
But she likes it though. Look at her now.
She's like, she doesn't quite know, but she's.
She's eating it now. I mean, that's.
Okay. Here's another little bit.
She must be. It's, I don't know where else
Airplane.
it's going.
Airplane. Airplane. Oh.
Look at her.
There it is. There's comes spitting back on.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, there it is.
There.
Oh.
Well, it usually comes out 3 or 4 times, Ryan. I mean, last night when she ate it,
How much
that
has
was
she
like.
eaten?
Oh, there's still a lot left.
Oh, I know, but I mean, look at her.
You just don't know how much she's actually eating, you know, because
This is
it
what
goes
I
all
like.
over.
Yeah, what I like is her.
Here
Finally,
we
she
go.
get her hand in it, you know. And
Oh. Mmm.
you'd be surprised how much she.
Oh. She's like, I want to feed myself.
I mean, she's even more interested in that than she is in the camera, you guys.
Open up.
Oh.
Open up. Open up.
Come here.
You think we have it too high up so she can't like lean her mouth? Or
Oh, it's going in. Look at her. It's all gone. That's funny.
try this.
Oh, you can lean it back? That's
Yeah.
cool.
So that she can maybe like.
Yeah, but look at her. What she's
See, she wants to sit up, though. Oh, you like that now.
Come here. Come here. Open wide. Oh.
It's hitting her stomach right now. She's like, what is
rice.
rice cereal. Rice cereal.
Oh,
Tomorrow,
boy.
ham. You get ham tomorrow.
Easter eggs.
Okay, let's try another one, Annika.
Hard-boiled egg tomorrow. Then you're gonna hear some gas.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, open up.
That tongue just gets right in the way.
Yeah, she doesn't know how to like completely open up yet. Oh, there she goes.
Oh.
There.
Oh,
I want it, but I can't figure it out.
our timing's off, Annika. I'm sorry.